the way to anywhere. I'm just saying. That's good. Yeah, that's the end of it.
Yeah, I had to move everything upstairs and like everything that we have sentimental value to, and we're just going to move to Hereford until it's over, really. We kind of expect it to happen, so it's really sad.
That's great. Thank you very much, Victor.
Yeah, it's like it's not something you ever think it'll happen to you. You see on the news, you know, it happens in Spain, globally, and then it happens to you, and it's like, oh, right, well, how do we handle it? And it's just, you know, some of them having a cuppa, some like me panicking, going away. It's just, yeah, everyone's got their own ways.
We work closely with the environmental agency and we also monitor river levels at the monitoring stations. So at the moment it is, the river levels are going down, which is positive. This will enable us to then pump the water, as you can see, back into the river system.